Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful messy ponytail. To start, we're going to section off the top of the hair from about eyebrow height and just secure this into a clear elastic band. Next, make a hole behind the elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through. Pass the ponytail up to your fingers and pull it all the way through that hole to create a twist. Pull on the edges to make it a little bit tighter. And now we're going to take a section of hair from about ear height on both sides. And we're going to bring this round to the back at the middle, join them together and secure with a clear elastic band. Pop your fingers behind the elastic band, pass the ponytail up to your fingers and pull it through to create another twist. And don't forget to tighten it up by pulling on the edges. Now clip those two tail ends from the twisted ponytails we've just done out of the way, and we're going to split the remaining hair in half. Next, release that ponytail down and bring the two sections at the sides up and over and join them together at the back with another clear elastic band. Pop your fingers behind the elastic band and pull that ponytail through to create another twist. Pull on the edges of the ponytail to tighten. Next, we're going to add some texture spray all over the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description box below for you. And all we're going to do is pinch and pull at all the hair. So pinch and pull around the crown and also on each of those twists. Secure into place with a little bit of hairspray. Now you can leave this ponytail straight, but I've decided to add a bit of a curl. Again, I'll pop the curlers I'm using in the description box below for you. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.